On today's video, we're going to learn how to make our first sounds on our trombone baritone mouthpiece. Let's begin by thinking the syllable M. Now let's make it a fancy M. Notice how the facial muscles engage, the chin muscles engage. Notice when I do that, the corners curve down, the chin is flat, it's not all bunched up. This is smooth in here. The lips get even. Now let's talk about embouchure and aperture. Embouchure are the muscles that go around the lips to add support. The aperture is the space we create between the lips that's going to let the air go into the instrument. Now the aperture is not going to be a round circle, it's not a pucker. It's an elliptical slit. It's longer than it is taller. Like that. It's not going to be a pucker, so it will be longer than it is taller. Now when we place our mouthpiece on our lips, we're going to start putting our lips right in the middle, a 50-50 split. Now you may have to adjust that up or down based on your facial structures, and those are all adjustments we make as we progress. Now when we breathe, we're going to breathe through the corners, and we're going to keep contact with the rim in the center of our lip. So let's all do that. Let's all breathe in and then exhale through our mouthpiece. Now let's go ahead and bring our lips closer together, form the aperture, and let's go ahead and make a sound. If you didn't get a sound, just keep bringing the lips closer and closer together until we form a small enough aperture. So remember, fancy M, engaging the facial muscles, even the chin, keep this smooth, curve of the chin, corners come down, even lips, embouchure muscles, and remember aperture is an elliptical slit. It's longer than it is taller. And that's getting our first sound on the mouthpiece.